there is a requirement for running international operations from the Patna International Airport. And as such, sir, now the Patna airport is open to international operations because it is a customs notified airport. And they are open to fly to 5 SAARC countries and 10 ASEAN countries also under the open sky policy. But the issue is, sir, there is a fundamental problem with the Patna International Airport because of the shorter runway. Because of the shorter runway, there is a load penalty that applies to the aircraft, through which they are not able to run with operational efficiency and to carry the highest capacity. So that restricts the commercial viability of having these international operations. But there are alternative solutions that are being worked out. And whenever we see, sir, when we want the airline operators to operate these international, one is first having an air service agreement with those countries, having the points open so that the connectivity is there, the point of call is there between the two countries. On top of that, the airline operators look for commercial viability also. And here the problem of the commercial viability comes in because of the load penalty issue. And that is one reason we feel that is why the international operations are not there. But either with this, sir, now Beta, which is another airport with a longer runway, that is also coming into operations. And then under the budget, we have announced another greenfield airport also. So there are many solutions that are being worked out, because for us in the country, Bihar is one of the most priority regions. From on behalf of the central government also, I can say, sir, as early as possible, we are also working towards a solution so that Patna, not only Patna and other airports from Bihar also, let's say Gaya airport, the international operations increase from these airports.